everybody. We are just going to give you an update on Makayla's RV. Okay, so as you can see, we have everything all ripped out and demolition is done. We're ready to paint. We pulled out the closets on either side to open up the space a little bit more, but fortunately we can do it because there's a huge closet in the hallway. So now we're just going to have this nice clean floating shelf above the bed. We're going to put a piece of trim on the front that will just give it a continuous line look. It's going to feel very, very clean and open, and it will be a great spot to put books. Not quite sure what we're going to do with the black cord thingy coming down the middle, but one thing at a time. So if you can see back in here, we're pulling out all of the hardware that was in here and reconfiguring the storage so that we don't lose any storage, but also so that it looks better and feels more balanced and is a little bit more user-friendly and less ugly. It looks ugly now, but have a little faith that it will come together.
Up here in the front, we've done a lot of demolition, no reconstruction yet. We've taken out the couch in order to redo flooring. We've removed some cabinetry that was over the window here and obstructing the window, and a lot of trim that went around the bulkhead of the slide out. So now we can more easily inspect like the gaskets and seals. And we've taken off doors and coverings of different cabinets so that we can paint. And so that's the next step is painting, and we'll remove the flooring in here to install new flooring after the paint is done.